loves, and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do a winged eyeliner. I've had so many requests from you guys asking me to do that video, so here we are today. I'm going to show you an easy way on how I achieve a perfect wing liner. But just before we get to the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. And let's get started on this video. So I decided to bring you guys a little bit closer so that you can see how I'm going to be drawing my wing liner. I'm using a liquid liner because this is what I love using. I've tried other type of liners, but it's always been a fail, so I prefer a liquid liner. Wordings are rubbed off because I've had it for quite a while, but it's the LA Color Cosmetics wing eyeliner. It's liquid and it dries off as matte. I got mine from Accessories Trend on Instagram, so you can check it out. I'm gonna put a photo of how it looks on either of the sides so that you can see how it looks when it's new. And inside, I love it because it has this brush applicator, and I love liners that have a blush. I love liners that have a brush applicator because I feel like it's easy for me to apply and it glides on my eyes very smooth. You can try different eyeliners to get the perfect one that works for you. This is just my preference, so you can try. There are other types of liners. There are those ones that come in a pen. There are others that are just the applicator is not a brush, so whichever you prefer you can use either, or you can also use gel to create a wing liner, but I'm gonna do that on a different tutorial. For today I'm gonna show you how to use this liquid eyeliner to create a perfect wing liner. Make sure that you have a mirror. You have to look at the mirror, like you have to make sure that the mirror is you're facing the mirror down and not upwards like this, because that way it becomes easy for you to apply it perfectly. So I'll be looking at my mirror down here as I you have a look at what I'm doing on my eye. So the first thing I do is I normally draw a line at the edge of my eye like that. So once you draw this line, so definitely raise your brows so that you can get to be able to draw the line precisely. And then like this part here, you see where I'm putting my brush, you draw that line there, and then just go gently and just make sure you have a very steady hand, because you need to focus on what you're doing, and you need a lot of patience when doing this also. So just follow using these lines that I just drew out from this line that we drew first. Like that, and then make it join this there. What I like to do is I bring mine a little bit closer to my eye like that. See, you have to make sure that it's straight. So that's why I said you need to have your mirror has to be down so that you can see that you're being able to draw straight lines. And then after that, now what you do, you just fill in the product in between that that triangle, kind of triangle shape that you created. Just fill in these spaces. So there you have the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw this other one. So you have to keep checking both eyes to see whether they are similar, and I can see that they are a bit similar. So what I'm gonna do is gonna like make it a little bit thicker like this other one. So I'm gonna do the same for this one. And I'm being very careful not to mess it up. Yeah, that's it. So to clean it out, I normally like to use a flat brush, and I'm also gonna take a little bit of concealer and make it look clean, and also like make the lines look neat. So to make it complete, you just need to put on some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, the one that comes in a yellow tube. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final look of how the wing liner look with a complete full face. So hi guys, I'm back again with my full makeup look to show you how the eyeliner looks once you pair it with a pair of lashes, and also added on a bold lip so that I can complement the look to go with the dramatic or wing liner that I put. I hope this video was as informative as possible, because I tried to make it a bit simpler for you guys to, especially for the beginners, so that they can understand each and every step that I used and how to get that perfect wing liner. So let me know in the comment section whether you are going to practice or you learned a thing or two from this video. Just leave a comment on the comment section. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. It's next to the subscribe button to get notified every time we put up a new video. Until my next one, I love you all so much. Bye.